if you want to enable or disable the super power saving mode on OPPO Find X9. In that case, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, scroll down a little bit, and then you want to open battery. Now in here we have super power saving mode. We need to turn it on, and then you confirm that you want to turn it on. There we go. Now over here we have, of course, limited access to only certain apps. We can also add 3 apps in here. We can tap on edit in the upper right corner in order to, for example, remove some of these apps. And this is how the Ultra battery saver looks like. If you want to exit it, of course, we can just tap on exit in the top left corner and then confirm that you want to do that. Now, I believe we can also add the super power saving mode to quick settings over here. We have the standard power saving mode, but we're gonna actually tap on this pen icon and let's tap on this plus in order to try to find, let's see if we can actually find it. And in here, we have the high performance mode, but it seems that, there we go, it actually is available. So we can go over here and turn it on or off quite easily. We can just tap over here to go into the super power saving mode. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.